Hello all, welcome to Tech Brothers Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how we can do the form validations using the Spring Boot application with free marker. So I have created one a small input from in my previous uh, tutorial. Um, in this, I just created one using input. I have just created one input field in the form, and I am having the submit button, and the button name is create here. And if you see here, I am having one controller, and I am just using the get mapping. I am rendering the form, and using the post mapping. Whenever I have submitted the form, I am just logging that user attribute. So let me see what is the output it will generate. So have stopped the server, and I am restarting the server here. So now it's scanning for projects, and it is the projects are building now, and we'll see once the server is started, we'll see the output what it's going to generate. Yeah, here the server is started, and you can see the user form got generated. So to validate the form first, in the post mapping, uh, you need to add some annotations, and we'll see what all the required for this form validation. So before that, in the control in the domain object, uh, against that name, I am using at the rate not blank annotation, and whenever uh, it's blank, then I need to print a message like name should not be blank. Okay. Um, and in the post mapping method, against this user domain object, we need to add at the rate valid, and whenever we have error messages, all the error messages will be validated in binding result object. So I need to add the binding result as well. And in the user.ftl, we need to bind this property using spring.bind, and then we need to give the property name with the object. So I am giving this at the rate spring.bind, and whenever we have a error messages, then we need to print those error messages also. So to print the error messages in free marker, we use spring.show errors, which accept one small parameter, and that is br. Spring.bind. Let's see, it's giving some errors. Whether we have closed all the parameters properly. No, here we haven't. We missed this property. Yeah. So I have saved all this, and then I'm stopping the server, and then restart the server again. Yep. I know the server is started. Then see, I'm just refreshing the page. So without entering any input, I'm just doing the submit. So you can see name should not be blank. The error message is appearing. So whenever I provide some input and if you submit, then you can see the message is gone. If I resubmit again, you can see the name is blank. Okay, thank you.